In this project, I'll give you an idea about dragging and dropping components, and these things are actually nice to have features if you are developing web applications, and you have to have these type of things if you want to attract more peoples into your web applications. And to this, I am going to use this Bootstrap CSS and also jQuery library with the jQuery UI and the Angular library with the Bootstrap UI. And also I'm going to create actually I'm going to use this Angular drag drop library. This is actually not actual Angular library. This is a custom Angular library. You can have thousands of custom Angular libraries you can use for a different tasks, right? And first thing I need to do, I'm going to create some div area that I can something I can drag, and I'm going to give some look and feel like a button and button primary because I have Bootstrap CSS. It's supporting to the CSS coding, and I need to have some directives. This is actually a custom directives data drag, and that will be a true. And I need to have JQYOUI draggable. You can read that the custom Angular file, and you can see all of these custom directives. And this one will be animate, and I need animate true, right? And I'm going to give some name here, and I'll give some name to this one with the controller. I'll add some controlling area, right? And after that I'm going to create another div to drop that draggable one. This will be class thumbnail, something that looks like can be draggable, and I'm going to give data drop directive true, right? And the same thing JQU JQYOUI droppable, right? Before drop I need to give some notation to this before drop, right? And after that we will do other things by controller. I'm going to add ng controller to manage these two controller. Sorry, this time in controller will be controller, right? Now I'm going to my script file. I'm going to import, actually I'm going to inject that custom library called ng drag drop, and also I need to inject UI bootstrap, and now I'm going to create controller. My controller name is controller function. I'm going to use scope and queue in the function. I need asynchronous task here, that's why I'm going to use queue. Right, and the first thing, I need to define some function. Actually, you do not need to remember these things. Before drop, and this is the function. Default, it comes with the drag and drop, and I'm going to create this default queue default. Right, if it is dropped, I'm going to give a confirmation message. If confirm, are you sure you want to drop? Are you sure? Just are you sure? Right, and if it is okay, then default going to be resolved. Right, if it is else, then default dot resolve, both this time reject because there is no time. Right, and I'm going to return promise. Right, think we did the dropping part, and now I need to define some name to that one. Scope dot list one, I'll make that as a list one, the first draggable component, and inside of that I'm going to create title, and title will be not title, I'll do some name here like drag me. Okay, I'm going to use list one in here. Okay, that's what I'm going to drag, and I'm going to create scope dot list 2, and that will be array, and this one also will be array. Title will be this one, just pull like this. Okay, and I'll go to my HTML. My controller C is capital, and I'm going to add ng model here. Ng model, actually ng model is list 1, and here it's list 1 dot title, and I need to hide this one. I'm going to use ng hide. I need to hide this one. If list title list 1 dot title becomes unavailable. Okay, now I'm going to do add ng model here, ng model, and this will be list 2. List 1 is going to drop into list 2, and and for that I need to add ng-bind to this component. Ng-bind, I'm going to bind list to title as if it is successfully dropped. I'm going to tell dropped success. If it is not, please drop here. I'm going to add that here. List2.title, right? Okay. I think we finished the code and we will run the application and see. Okay, controller true list1, there's an error, that's why it comes like this. We will go to the console and see what's the error. You can hear bootstrap, there's injection error, that may be a spelling mistake. Yes, that's actually UI.bootstrap. Still some error. We will stop it and run the application and see. That time it's still available. UI.bootstrap. Still misspelled RA. Yes, now it's okay, no errors. I'm going to drag this one. Yes, you can see, you can drag this div area, and I'm going to drop inside of this div. Yes, you got the message. Are you sure? Then I'm going to hit OK. Yes, dropped success. We will refresh this one and again see, and I'll add some break here to clearly show. We are Yes, now you can see the dragging and dropping area clearly. This is actually work as a button. I get it. Yes, I can drag it anywhere. When I go to the top of the drop here, and I'm going to drop it. Yes, you got "Are you sure?" message. I'll hit cancel, yet it goes to the same previous place. I'll show here. Yes, this is the message it comes. I'm asking, are you sure you want to drop? Right, again we will try. I'm going to drop here. Yes, are you sure? I'll hit OK. Yes, it dropped success, and you can see the message here. If it is success, this message is coming as a title. I think you understood about this dragging and dropping. This is really helpful when you're going to use the web applications, to use some the basic uses.